Hello everyone, my name is Atul. I'm going to walk you through this tutorial on how to use jknaukri.com as a job seeker. First thing you need to do is to register yourself on our website. Registration is very easy and it's totally free. We have already created our user, so we'll log in with that. When you press the login button, you're logged in, and first thing you need to do is to select a role. You have two roles here, employer and job seeker. As you are a job seeker, you select a job seeker role and press a submit button. As soon as you press a submit button, it takes you to a control panel. This control panel will always help you in doing all kind of stuff like searching jobs by category, news jobs, search jobs, or your stats for instance, and my applied jobs as well. Now, first thing you need to do is to add a resume. This will open up a resume form. Now, application title field, this can be like combination of your name and resume. So it's just a title. You need to fill in all the required fields at least. Cell number, you don't need to append a 0 in before that. This was just a validation. So you select a country. If you are not currently working in any companies, so you can check this, I'm available. But if you are currently working in any other company or any other job, you need to uncheck this. Keep this checked. You can upload any of your photos from your system. You can also upload your CV. Then you can select your area of work, your desired salary, what you want from your employer, your work preference, your highest finished education, your experience if you have any, and date you can start. Whenever you can start this job, you can add this. Next sections are self-explanatory. You need to add your current address, permanent address, your education details, your employer details if you are currently working with anyone, your recent employer, if you are prior working to anyone, so prior employer. Your skills, if you have a driving license, you can add yes or no, driving license number. Then you can leave this section, resume editor. If you have any references like your professor, your lecturer, your principal, if you have any relative that's currently working in any other professional company, you can add that. After you're done, you can save your resume. So your resume is saved. You can always come back to your resume by clicking the My Profile button or Control Panel and then My Profiles. You can add any number of resume from Add Resume. They all will show up here. You can at any time edit them, view them, or delete them. Now the next thing you'll need to do is you may want to search jobs by categories. So you click the jobs by categories and all the categories that have current jobs will show up. You can select any of them and go to those jobs. Or you may want to search a job, so you'll go to search job, and this is taking some time to load. Okay, you can click on search job and then you can enter your desired data and search job here. Or maybe you can directly go to newest jobs. This will show up all the newest jobs that we have posted on our website. So maybe you want to apply to this job 1. So there are some jobs that don't show apply now button, and that's because there are some jobs that we are not affiliated to, so you cannot apply to that job directly from our website. So you can apply to this job like job 1. You can directly click on here, apply now. So you need to select a resume to forward to that employer. If you have added 3-4 resume, you need to select a suitable resume which may catch the interest of that employer. So we have currently one resume, so we'll select that, and click on apply now button. Your resume has been applied. You can anytime come back and see my applied jobs. This will show up all the jobs that you have applied. Currently we don't have any feature for job alert. We are working on that. And these are my stats. This will show up how many resume you have created, gold resume, featured resume. We currently don't support these things. You can also whenever you search a job, like you currently search a job, maybe we want to search a full-time job or part-time full-time job. Okay, we'll click search job. So this will show up all the part-time jobs. You can save the search and name this as part-time jobs and save this. Now you will never need to search this back again. You'll just come to control panel and job save searches. You can directly see this part-time job search, so you'll click on view and this will show up all the part-time jobs that we currently have. So I hope this has helped. Other functionalities are like you can see us about us page from here. You can contact us. There's webmaster, there's owner. Like if you want to contact the owner, you'll just go here, click on the name. You'll see a contact form here. You can fill in the details and send an email to us. There's a FAQ section for all your queries. As a job seeker, you will be more needing this section. You can also ask a new question to us. If you want to search a website, there's a Google customized site search option as well. It's taking some time to load. Okay, you can search like FAQ section. You also have a side menu, so you can directly go to job seeker control panel from here. You won't be able to go to employer control panel because you don't have the desired role for that. So I think most of the concepts will be clear. You can always reach us at contact us page, or you can post a new question. Thank you for listening to me. Best of luck.